Have you ever wondered if there's a simple yet powerful way to instantly make yourself more attractive to women? What if I told you that just 3 words could completely change the way women perceive you, desire you, and chase you? In today's video, I'm going to reveal these words, explain why they work, and show you how they align perfectly with the timeless principles of Stoicism. The power of words. Words have power. They can inspire nations, move hearts, and yes, make you magnetic in the eyes of women. But before we dive into these 3 words, you need to understand one thing. Attraction isn't about manipulation, it's about authenticity and confidence. And these 3 words are not magic spells. Instead, they're tools to project your true value and cultivate genuine connections. The first word. The first word is I respect. Let me explain why this matters. Respect is the foundation of any meaningful connection. By expressing respect, whether it's for her thoughts, her boundaries, or her ambitions, you immediately set yourself apart from 90% of men who fail to see beyond surface-level attraction. Respect signals maturity and self-assurance, qualities every woman craves in a man. The second word. The second word is I value. When you communicate value, you tell her 2 things: that you see her worth, and more importantly, that you understand your own. Stoicism teaches us to live in alignment with our values and to recognize the good in others. A high-value man doesn't just chase beauty, he seeks depth. Saying, I value, demonstrates your emotional intelligence and your ability to prioritize substance over superficiality. The third word. The third word is I choose. Here's why it's crucial. Choice signifies confidence and independence. When you tell a woman, I choose this, or I choose to invest my time here, you're showing that your attention is intentional and not desperate. Women are drawn to men who know their worth and make deliberate decisions. I choose implies that you are in control of your life, and that is irresistibly attractive. The Stoic connection. Stoicism is all about mastering yourself. It's about living in alignment with your principles, staying calm under pressure, and embracing your authenticity. When you use these 3 words, I respect, I value, and I choose, you embody the essence of a Stoic man, grounded, confident, and in control of his emotions. And trust me, women notice this. They can feel the difference between a man who is genuine and one who is simply trying too hard. Practical application. Now let's talk about how to use these words in real-life situations. Whether you're on a date, in a conversation, or even just meeting someone for the first time, integrate these phrases naturally. Integrate these phrases naturally. I respect your opinion on this. I value the way you approach challenges. I choose to focus on things that matter. These aren't just empty words, they're reflections of who you are. Use them with sincerity and you'll notice the way people, especially women, respond differently to you. And meet that way halfway with success. So are you ready to step into your full potential? To be the kind of man who naturally attracts high-quality women without pretending to be someone you're not? Start practicing these 3 words today. Live by their meaning, not just their sound. And as you do, remember the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. The only thing you can control is yourself. Master that and the rest will follow. Imagine walking into a room and effortlessly drawing attention. Not because you're trying too hard, but because of who you are and the energy you project. Today I'm going to teach you something that will transform the way you approach women forever. 3 simple yet powerful words. Words that align with the principles of Stoicism, amplify your confidence, and make you irresistible. Stick around because this could change your life. Words shape perception. Let's start with a truth that often gets overlooked. Words shape how others perceive us. The things you say, the way you say them, and the intent behind your words create a ripple effect. But here's the kicker. Most men underestimate this power. They either say too much trying to impress, or say nothing at all hoping their silence speaks for itself. Both approaches miss the mark. Social observation. Stoicism teaches us to be intentional with our words, speak only what is true, necessary, and kind. These 3 words I'm about to reveal aren't just phrases, they're frameworks for living with purpose. When you master them, you'll find that attraction isn't something you chase, it's something you naturally draw. The first word, respect. The word is respect. Now, I'm not talking about blind flattery or agreeing with everything she says. True respect is rooted in understanding and acknowledging a person's individuality. When you show a woman that you respect her mind, her time, and her boundaries, you're signaling that you're a man of depth. Example dialogue. I respect how you approached that situation. It shows a lot of character. I respect your honesty. It's refreshing to meet someone so straightforward. Notice how these phrases are direct yet meaningful. Respect is rare in today's world, and when you embody it, you become unforgettable. The second word, value. The second word is value. Why is this so impactful? Because it reflects both how you see others and how you see yourself. Women are instinctively drawn to men who recognize and uphold their own value. When you say, I value my time, or I value honest communication, you're showing her that you're not just anyone. You're someone worth knowing. Women respect a man who doesn't give away his time or energy cheaply. And when you tell her you value something about her, like her ambition, her creativity, or her perspective, it's a compliment that stands out. Why? Because it's genuine, and it shows that you're paying attention. The third word, choose. The third word is choose. This is where Stoicism really shines. Marcus Aurelius famously wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this and you will find strength. Saying, I choose is a declaration of your independence and self-control. It tells her you're not swayed by external pressures. You decide your actions, your focus, and your energy. I choose to focus on what really matters. I choose to spend time with people who inspire me. Choice conveys power. It shows that you're not desperate or reactive but intentional, and women find that incredibly attractive. Why these words work together? Now here's the magic. When you combine these 3 words, you create a persona that's calm, confident, and deeply attractive. Saying, I respect, I value, and I choose positions you as a man who is grounded in his principles. And guess what? This isn't about impressing anyone. It's about living in alignment with your own values. That authenticity is what draws people in. The Stoic application in dating. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions. When you approach women with this mindset, you eliminate anxiety and neediness. You're no longer trying to win her approval because you're already secure in who you are. Respect, value, and choice are just extensions of this inner peace. Example scenario. Instead of saying, do you like me? Say, I choose to be myself, and if we connect, that's great. Instead of chasing her attention, focus on respecting her space and valuing your own. Practical tips to start today. Here's how you can start implementing this right now. Respect. Listen more than you speak. Show genuine interest in what she's saying. Value. Set boundaries. Don't overextend yourself to please others. Choose. Be deliberate with your time and energy. Walk away from situations that don't align with your principles. The more you practice, the more natural this will become. And as you embody these principles, you'll notice a shift not just in how women respond to you, but in how you see yourself. If you found this video helpful, take the first step by choosing to respect yourself, value your time, and make deliberate choices in your interactions. Hit the like button to show your support. Share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more life-changing insights rooted in Stoic philosophy. Remember, you have the power to attract what aligns with your true self. Stay strong, stay stoic, and I'll see you in the next video.